Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement air filter that fits a variety of Chevy and GMC vehicles with the 6.6 liter turbo diesel engine from 2006 to about 2010. This includes the Silverado as well as the Sierra. So let's take a look at this. So this is a rather large air filter. You're going to notice here that there's a pre-filter material on the outside and then the inner kind of honeycomb type filter here. This filter is a direct replacement for the factory air filter on your Chevy or GMC truck. You'll go ahead and remove the airbox cover, pop the old filter out, pop the new filter in. We recommend changing these filters once a year or every 10,000 miles. Just because diesel trucks tend to be out on job sites, things like that, and pick up more dirt than vehicles that are strictly driven on the road. If you guys have any questions about the filter, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.